Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and first the thing we have to do is to open developer options, activate them. So let's enter about phone and now find this OS version. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So after activating, we have to go back to the general settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Scroll down again to the very bottom and enter developer options. And here all we have to do is to again scroll down to find automatic system updates option. In my case, this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, it should look like it. So all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.